Hello everyone, I am Kiran Shevkari and welcome to my YouTube channel Bike Tatya. Today we are going to install a Sena 30K onto a Harley Davidson modular helmet. Now let's unbox the Sena. So I am going to use this foam to place my helmet on it so that it doesn't get scratched. As you can see, this is a Sena device. These are the speakers and this is the microphone of the Sena. So now let's begin the installation. The things that you are going to need are the helmet, these foam pads, the Sena of course, the foam pads and these types of velcros. First thing that you need to do is remove the visor of the helmet so that you don't scratch the helmet. As you can see, this lever over here, this small lever, press this lever and the visor comes out. Same thing on the other side, press this small lever and the visor comes out. Place the visor on the side so that you don't damage it or scratch it. Now we have to remove these liners on the inside so that we can easily install the Sena onto this. So the left liner is out. Same thing on the right side. The right visor is out. Now the top liner. So now we are removing the headliner. I prefer to not remove it totally. So we are going to need this velcro to fix the speakers onto the helmet. So let's remove this plastic and stick this here. As you can see, I have stuck this velcro over here. I hope you can see it. Now the same thing onto the other side. See, this is how you have to fit the velcro here. Okay, so the fitting the velcro is done. The first thing that you need to do is loosen these screws on the Sena using this Allen wrench. So this part goes on the inside of the helmet here, and this part will be outside. I'll show you. You can see this gap over here, so just insert this part over here. So this goes perfectly into the helmet. So my Sena is fitting perfectly over here. So now let's tighten the screws and fit the device here. Let's just first remove the device. Before tightening, make sure that this rubber part, the one over here, is far above this point, so that it's actually on the fiber, not on the rubber part of the helmet. As you can see, I have perfectly mounted this device onto the helmet. You can adjust the microphone like this. It goes inside so that there's no wind noise. The device fits just like this. Slide, see this part, slide it over here. You can hear a nice click and the Sena goes into its place. To remove the Sena device, just press this button over here, the silver button here, and then you can remove your Sena device. Now before installing the speakers, I'd like to install the foam onto the speakers. As you can see, there is a slight incision over here. This part will go over here. So now the foam is onto the speaker. Now to the next one. So I have fitted the second speaker also with the foam. Now let's show you how to install the speaker onto this helmet. See, the speaker with the smaller wire will go over here. Like this. See, there's a velcro that I have sticked to it. As you can see, the speaker is in here and it will not fall. See, now onto the second speaker. Same thing, there's a slot for the speaker over here. I'll show you. Let's take a close up. As you can see, this slot over here, you have to fit the speaker here, second one. See, here's little incision, so press the speaker here. So now we have fitted the Sena device and the speakers onto here. All we need to do now is route the wires. So now we are going to put some sellotape onto the wires. So now I'll show you how I have routed the wires over here. As you can see, these are the wires of the speaker. This is the left speaker that you can see over here, and I have routed these wires and used a local white sellotape, and this is the left speaker that you can see over here. So the wires are tucked in nicely and there's no problem. And this is the microphone. You can adjust it over here so that there's no wind noise. Now let's start by inserting the liners. First one will be this. So now we'll insert this liner first. As you can see, this little red, this one goes into this, like this. You can hear a click. Yeah, it's in its place. As you can see, the liner is in its place and there are no visible wires. Here you can see this and this hole, so this hole has to match over here. So it's perfectly in its place. Is most tricky. As you can see, these wires and this, see, we need to cut this plastic part over here so that the wires will go from here inside and it will stay concealed. So now let's just make a marking over here and cut this plastic piece of the liner. So I have cut the liner over here, and let's hope the wires go perfectly from this little slot. The incision that I made, see over here, the wires go perfectly from there and it's not visible and it fits perfectly. So now let's put the liner back. The liners are all in its place. The wires are nicely tucked in. There are only these visible wires, that's no problem with that. And we have done the fitting successfully. Now let's start the Sena. We're placing a foam onto the microphone, as you can see. So now the microphone is ready with the foam, and this microphone goes inside like this, so there are no wind noises and you can hear, and everyone can hear your voice loud and clear. So this is the way you mount a Sena onto a Harley Davidson helmet. So now we are going to put Sena onto the helmet. Just slide it in and press till you hear a click. So now we have fitted the Sena successfully onto the helmet. Now let's just start it. To start it, you have to press the phone button and the jog dial. You can hear this voice.
Hello. Phone connected.
Now we'll start some music. As you can see, this is a Sena 30K utility app. You can use this to control your Sena. So now I'll start a radio.
FM on. 9-5.
One Entertainment Cup. Experiences from around the globe that will surprise your senses. This is ICICILombard.com presents Get Some Sun Season 6 with your host and the world's best travel experts.
That's right, it is Punega one and only radio travel show. It's called
FM off.
So now hold the visor in this position and press it in. So it locks in. Same on the other side. Just hold it here and press it in. So the visor is installed now. So you may be wondering why I have not uploaded a video for around more than 2.5 months. So I met with an accident on 24th of November. So I was not able to walk or ride the bike. Now my bike is under repair and I hope I'll get it in around 7 or 8 days. So my vlogging will again continue, and I have learned a lot in these 2 months, and I'll be riding safe now, and I am safe because I was wearing all the safety gear. Do wear all your safety gear while riding the bike, and thank you for watching. So if you really like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.